Well, everybody's going spearhead way. We're going Blackcomb Peak way, the DOA. That thing didn't work, eh? The checker?
I don't know, because now I'm turned on and I wasn't turned on over there. Come on, open.
There, I got you.
Thank you. I can check you in a minute. I'm slow to put these up.
Wow, it's like, it's squeaky cold snow, but it's not cold, eh? Jen took the high road. She's gonna be in Scotland before me. All right, oh, I made it to the top of Dean's Adieu here. I think that's what it's called. Basically, this is where Dean met his demise. I think that's the story. It's definitely an avalanche zone, and nobody gives it any second thought. Everybody just climbs up here. Now we are going to boot pack up to the top. This is the Blackcomb Peak here. I think that is the top on our right there. And that should only take us 10 minutes, but you know, look at the views out here. It doesn't really get much more spectacular, does it? Well, here we go, boot packing. I'm gonna let Jen be the boot pack leader, because you know why? They're gonna be small steps. And not those 7-foot tall Yao Ming steps. I don't know how good this is gonna be. You don't even sink in, Jen. And there's Jen cresting Blackcomb. I don't know what's right there, but she's gonna tell me. Is it flat? Yeah. Okay, awesome. So I was actually gonna go around this way and then get her coming up as the first ascender of the day, but there's just a cliff there. All right, so these are memories of this one here, Lisa Korthals, 1968 to 2018. And that one's Trevor Petersen, 1982 to 1996. Anyways, I'm gonna summit.
Lisa, that was with the heli ski expedition.
That was Live Like Lisa, right?
Yeah.
All right, made it to the top. This is actually the top of Blackcomb, almost 2,500 meters.
Phew.
Yeah. Check it out. Wow. This is pretty rad. Just to have come up here, right? The dynamic duo. All right. Yeah, no, right there. Right there. Not there. That way. That way is not good. See?
You might go right into there.
No, you're not going down there.
So we have to go down.
We have to go down and then over. Like, we got to go all the way back down where we started boot packing from, basically. But I just think that snow is going to be really crappy to go straight down. Just, I don't know if my skis are going to fit. Yeah, I know, you uncovered it on the way up. Oh, you hit it too. Yo, not another one. Oh man, I need shorter skis. Yep, right. See where that, just right there below you on the right, down there. Just gonna get over these sharks here. And, you know, I'm on them, of course. All right.
Oh, a few good turns.
Yeah, we'll get a couple good turns here, maybe. Well, that was better than expected. Now we're at the top of DOA. Oh yeah, it's crappy. Not very good skiing. Here comes Jen. It's pretty bad, eh? I'm just gonna slide down through here. Alright, it's better down here, Jen. That's just kind of shit. But that's the spire. It's pretty big, eh? So you could go down either way of the spire here. But yeah, oh yeah, definitely.
Super careful.
Oh yeah, you don't want to fall. Nice. The snow's better here.
Yeah. Woo.
Yeah.
Woo.
You want to lead it out?
It looks like it's going to be jump turns kind of the whole way.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Until you get down around that one corner when it gets less steep, right? It's not the best conditions.
No. But
whatever.
jump turns it is.
Yeah, you gotta only do what you can get.
It's variable, so
Yeah, that's what that guy said, right?
yeah. Yeah, so here it just
Yeah, just dig your edges. You'll be good. Hey, my Korthalses are way better than what I'm on right now. It's fairly steep, I gotta say.
There's a spot of just ice there.
Yeah, doesn't surprise me. That sounds not bad though, what you're on there. this is really crap. That's ice. Whew. Pretty chalky over here. Well, I gotta tell you something about that. That was shit. But it was alright.
Yeah.
It wasn't, yeah, well, whatever. You know, I fell on my ass. First turn.
Well, now it's skiable.
So now we're staying on, remember? We're going to stay on the rocks, right? On our right. We're going to keep them on our right. We're going to stay that way. Because see where those trees are? That's a big fucking cliff.
Okay.
So just when it gets to the open, let's stop again.
You can see the tracks going a little
Yeah,
bit that way.
yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah, we can ski now.
Cool. Awesome.
Woohoo! It's probably gonna be really bad now. Oh, it might be some fresh snow over here. Not very fall liney. All right, well, that's the DOA right up there. How's that? Good? Oh, yeah, that's all right. So that's the rock we were talking about earlier. Woo-hoo. It is a cornice. Yeah. Man. Yeah. That was that'd be nice with full powder.
Yeah. It would be amazing in full powder.
All right.
That was a really good adventure in sketchy conditions.
We survived.
Oh yeah. I don't think that was in question.
No.
Oh, let's go over there.
You can't go off the end though, right? Oh, I'm so hot now.
Yes, it's warm.
There's now that's Booterville. I don't know, just out. Because that skiing is not going to be very good. Just out. Right? Here's a couple turns. I was gonna just say, here's a couple turns. Yeah, nice.